objects are said to be a set. A well-defined object means according to any one definition, any one condition is said to be set. For example, vowels in the English alphabet. What are they? We know very well. Vowels. What are A, E, I, O? So only 5 only we chosen. This is the object means according to condition chosen. So here we choose the vowels. It is denoted by flower bracket, opening bracket, closing bracket, like this, outside, opening and closing. Okay, here condition note 1. Set singular word, sets. Set denoted by capital alphabets A, B, like this, R, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, like this, capital alphabets. Okay, for example, and second thing, set. This is a symbol. All, each and every here in the set, the selection of objective is said element is said to be element. This is what is element means we choose and points. Here elements are in the here elements are A, E, I, O, U. How many here number of elements? So n of A. This set name take like as a set. Say n of A. N of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number of elements is equal to 5. Like set definition, set example, each and everything is containing here number of elements, number of A set means 5. What is this 5? This set to be elements. Okay, this is the set definition. Okay. Now this set containing 5 elements. Okay, this number of elements countable, that is said to be finite set. Finite set. In a set, number of elements may be countable. Then it is finite. Here number of elements countable. For example, set P is equal to natural numbers less than 5. This is count. So less than 5 means this is roster form. X such that X belongs to N and X is less than 5. So less than or equal to means right here is equal to less than 5. This is said to be set to builder form. Roster form means according to this condition, choose what are the natural numbers started with 1, 2, 3, 4. Here less than 5 given. So less than 5 means 4 is not possible. So here will be up to here. This is said to be set to builder form. It is said to be roster form. These two will be both are similar. For example, same example, Q set. Q set same condition X such that X is belongs to W whole number. X is less than or equal to 5. Now this is a set builder form. This is set builder form. Set builder. Now here condition whole numbers. W means whole numbers. We know that whole number started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here given is equal to also. That's why 5 also selected. Here number of elements are closed. These type of sets are said to be finite set. Finite set means number of elements will be countable. Number of elements will be countable. If it is a countable, it is said to be finite. Okay? In the same definition, same I will change this infinitive. Infinitive. In the same understand now? Now I will change the same topic infinitive. What will happen? What is the difference between these two? I will explain this one. These two. I will explain again these two. What will happen now? Okay. Infinitive. I will change here infinitive. First one, this is second. Finite complete and infinite set. In a set, number of elements uncountable. Just I am removing this one. Number of elements not countable. Number of elements are uncountable. Or so here less after more than 5. More than 5. I changed here. More than 5. More than 5 means X is greater than. So here I changed this also. So now what will happen in this set? You observe now. Same simple logic here. So in infinitive, in this what only remember, infinitive means not limited. Not limited. This is what. Not limited. Infinitive means not limited. Its symbol is this one. Infinitive symbol. This is symbol. Infinitive. In infinitive set definition. In a set, number of elements are uncountable. Uncountable. Same definition. Here uncountable. Same natural numbers more than 5. More than 5 means X is belongs to n here greater than 5. Now set builder form. Same set. Okay? P. Otherwise take one more R set. So then R is equal to what is the condition? Natural numbers will be take more than greater than 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 closed up, no closed. It is so on. It is said to be infinitive set. These are types of this is said to be infinitive set. Okay. One more Q. Here same taken. Here greater than or equal to 5. Whole numbers. Chosen numbers are whole numbers. But condition is more than 5 and equal also. And 5 it will also come. 5, 6, 7. It is limited, unlimited. So on. So on. So on means infinitive. This also so on. So on means up to infinitive. Up to infinitive. This type of set to be infinitive sets. What will end today? Set. What will end today? Set. Set definition. Set means chosen objects. Whatever may be. Unique things. Or here I have taken vowels. So vowels only 5. Number of vowels in the English alphabets are 5 only. That's why the infinitive. So consonants also limited. So for example, number of consonants. Consonants means how many number of consonants? If it is treated like as a C. C means A vowel. So B, C, D, E vowel, F like that. Up to 10, how many it will become here? Countable. So total alphabets are 24. 24 minus how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus. So how many remaining here? 19. So number of C is equal to 19. So 19 also countable. So it is also said to be finite set only. This also said to be finite set. This is also finite set. So more than not only 2, 3. Finite set and infinite set. Okay. They will ask like this questions. Okay. So finite set and infinite set. Okay. Next. Second topic, this is first topic completed. Second completed finite and infinite sets. Finite and infinite sets. Topic over with examples. Examples over. So third one, null set. Null set. Null set is most important. It is denoted by phi. Read as this one, denoted by phi, like this. Read as phi, not pi. Pi means this is said to be pi. This is phi. F-I-E, phi. Phi is equal to like this. Opening. There is no elements. Here, no elements. It is said to be null set. A set containing no elements. A set containing no elements. A set containing no elements. No elements. No elements means nil. It means nil. No elements. Then it is called null set or otherwise empty set. Empty set. Null set or empty set. Both are same. Null set or empty set. Empty means there is no elements. Empty means there is no elements. No elements means empty. So this is denoted by this. Okay. Null finite set, null set. Finite set, infinite set, null set. Okay, this is phi. It is denoted by phi. Phi in the set, for example, one question object to bit. Null set containing dash elements 0. 0 means nil. No elements. No elements. See, for example, I take a like this 0. So this is not null set. So it is containing 0 is also one of the element. So here number of phi is equal to 0. So 0 means one element. That's why it is not empty set. Remember, this 0 is not empty set. This is fast statement. Phi is equal to 0 means it is not phi. It is not phi, so not equal. So you remember 0 also one of the element. 0 is not contained. This also one of the element. That's why treat like as a phi means this one. There is nothing is there. It is empty. Empty. So this is a common empty. Empty. Not containing 0 symbol S, phi, 0. All is also nothing will be there. That's why it is said to be null set. Now close this topic. Set to finite set to infinite set to null set. Now next topic, operations of the set. Operations of the set. Okay, are you understood? Remember these 3 definitions, 4 definitions with including the definition of the set. Set means nothing will happen, only choose an object. Name of the rivers. All will be take the names of the rivers only. Like that. Rivers of the names. The well defined means like this. Well defined means number of rivers. Names of the books. Names of the writer Mahatma Gandhi book, written books. Yes, according to any one condition. But names of rivers in Telangana state. So this is also limited. So limited means it is a finite set. Like this type also they will ask finite set. So stars in the sky. Stars in the sky. It is possible or to countable, unlimited. Stars we are unable to count in the sky, unlimited. So it is said to be infinitive set. Like this you are thinking. Okay. These are the general topics. Rivers names, rivers, oceans. 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 Ocean means it is a countable. How many oceans we have? Asia, Atlantic. So how many continents? Continents. These are continents in the world. Oceans in the world all are limited. If it limited means it is finite. Unlimited means infinite. Remember, you take your own examples as possible. Okay? Limited infinitive, limited finite, unlimited infinite. Infinitive means number of elements are infinite. Uncountable, stars, sky, not countable. So unlimited. Unlimited means infinite. That is the concept, infinite. Here number of elements A is equal to uncountable, infinite. So on means infinite. Remember. Okay, up here we are going to close. Okay, next class we will continue.